Hello students, today we will do letter of complaint. In the previous UT syllabus, we have already done the letter to editor and the letter of placing order. So, before we start, letter of complaint means to complain anything. If we write a letter, that is a letter of complaint. In your exam, you will have this question for 8 marks, and I have done this distribution of marks for you. F1 means format is for 1 mark, C is content is for 4 marks, then expression is for 1.5 marks, how you express your feelings, and grammatical mistakes, it is 1.5 marks. So, letter of complaint. A letter of complaint is of two types. First type is complaint about social problems, and the second complaint is complaint of some product. Complaint about social problems. You are living in a society, and suppose you feel some problem in the society and you want to complain to the related authority, to the concerned authority for the complaint, for the upliftment of the society, then you write this type of letter. Okay, formation of the letter is the same as we earlier did. First of all is sender's address. It is either given in the question. Suppose it is written that you are so and so, you live at this place. This becomes your sender's address, your own address. Sender's address is means self address. Okay, you will write your own address if not given in the question paper, but keep in mind sender's address either is given in the question paper, then if it is given, then you will write that address. Okay, suppose it is given that you are Mohan or Monica and you reside at 22 Model Town, Rewari. So this will be your sender's address. Suppose it is not given, then you will not write your own address, then you will write here your, not even your name, you will write here examination hall, then city, and you will not write the name of the city. Sender's address में आप लिखेंगे examination hall dash dash city. This will be the self address if it is not given in the question paper. Then after one line space you will write date. Date, you will write the same date on you are writing the letter. Okay, so the date of English exam you will write here, but you will not write date. No, this will not be written. You will written, suppose you are giving the exam on 3rd of March 2021, then you will write 3rd March 2021. You will not write the spelling of date. Okay, then again space of one line, then receiver's address. Receiver's address means to whom you want to send your letter, to whom you want to complain. Okay, जिसको आपको complain करनी है, this will be the receiver's address. Now this is also generally given in the letter in the question but suppose it is not given, then receiver's address will be according to your complaint. Suppose you want to write a letter about the insanitary condition of the society, then you will write it to the municipal committee or the municipal commissioner. Suppose you want to write a letter of complaint about the theft in your locality, then you will write it to the superintendent of police. So that will be the receiver's address. But keep in mind one thing, if you are writing a complaint on social problem, it means you are writing a letter of your own city. Okay, so the name of the city, if not given in the exam, will be the same, and if given, then also it will be the same name of the city. Because suppose you are living in Rewari, you will not go to Delhi to complain about your social problem. You are living in Behror, You will not go to Jaipur to complain about your social problem. So in this type of letters, the name of the city will be the same in both the addresses. Okay. Then subject. Subject is complain against dash. Complain against dash. If you are, suppose you are writing the writing a letter against the theft in your locality, then continuous thefts, then you will write complain against the thefts in the locality. Either write against or write regarding. Complaint regarding theft in the locality. Complaint against theft in the locality. So out of these two words you will write only one. Then comes salutation. Salutation में इस तरह के लेटर्स में आप हमेशा लिखेंगे respected sir. Okay. Then give space of one line and then it is the beginning of the letter. Your letter starts here. So this is the body of the letter, and you will, this type of letter you will start writing, I wish to draw your attention towards the. I wish to draw your attention towards the dash. Dash means you will not put here blank. Against, suppose you are writing complaint against the insanitary condition in the locality. So I wish to draw your attention towards the insanitary condition of the society. Now name of the society should be the same that you have written in the sender's address. Okay, it becomes the beginning. So better you write it in your own way, in your own words, if you have good writing capacity, if you know it very well how to write. But if you don't know, then better you learn this line. Okay, this becomes the beginning. Then content. What will you write? How will you complete the word limit? Because you will have to write it in nearly 120 words. So what is the problem? After writing this beginning, you will change the paragraph. In the second paragraph, you will write what is the problem. Suppose the problem is of pit holes in the road. Suppose the road is broken. Then what is the problem? You will write, I wish to draw your attention towards the bad condition of roads in the city, in our city. Then you will start, what is the problem? The roads in our city are all broken. इस तरह से आप लिखना शुरू करेंगे. सपोज यू वांट टू राइट अबाउट द थेफ्ट. देयर आर frequent thefts in the society, and then name of society. So what is the problem? You will start writing this way. Then problem due to. Why is the problem, or reason behind the problem? Then reason behind the problem. Suppose you are writing about the bad roads. So problem is due to the non repairing of the roads. Then you will start, the problem is this, and the problem behind this is that the roads are not maintained, the roads are not repaired for nearly 2 to 3 years. Then you will continue that in rainy season, pit holes become in the road, and it becomes very difficult for the two-wheelers to pass on the road. Reason behind the problem. Suppose you are writing about the thefts, then you can say the reason behind the problem is that the police does not give a patrolling here. There is no police patrolling, and there is no security, there is no policeman on the duty. This way you can give the reason. After that, before giving the reforms, you can write what problems are the people facing. Suppose there are theft, then you can say people are always afraid of the thefts. They cannot go even to the nearby markets for the shopping because of the fear of the thefts. This way you can write any reforms or earlier complaints. पहले आप लिखेंगे earlier complaints. So many times it have been complained to the police. or whenever there is a theft, always the complaint is given in the nearby police station. But by now, nothing has been done, no culprit has been caught. This way you can write. Then any reforms, what you want? It is requested that a regular patrolling of police should be arranged here in this area. सजेस्टेड सॉल्यूशन में भी आप क्या चाहते हैं, होप क्या आप रिफॉर्म चाहते हैं? इट इज़ रिक्वेस्टेड दैट रेगुलर पेट्रोलिंग ऑफ द पुलिस शुड बी हेयर. इफ द रोड इज ब्रोकन देन यू कैन राइट दैट इट इज़ रिक्वेस्टेड और इट इज़ सजेस्टेड दैट द रोड टू बी repaired because so many tourists also come here and it gives a bad impression of the country as well. But you can write this line only if the city you are mentioning is a tourist place. Okay, otherwise you will write because it has caused a lot of problem to the passerbys, even it becomes the pedestrians very difficult to cross the road in the rainy season. इस तरह से आप लिखेंगे, उसका एंड करेंगे. एंड लास्ट यू विल राइट होपिंग इन एंटीसिपेशन. एंटीसिपेशन का मतलब क्या होता है कि हमने जो रिक्वेस्ट की है हमें उम्मीद है कि आप हमारा वो काम करेंगे. सो यू विल राइट होपिंग इन एंटीसिपेशन एंड इन लास्ट यू विल राइट योर्स ट्रूली, देन योर नेम whatever is given in the letter, that name. So this was all about the complaint regarding some social problem. But one type of complaint also I told you, that is complaint of some product. When do we need to write the complaint of some product? Suppose you purchased a fridge from a shop, and after its purchase, only after 1 month it starts giving problems. Then you will have to write the letter of complaint to the company to the company or to the shop where you purchase this fridge. So this type of complaints are also letters of complaints. Again, the marking scheme is the same. 1 is for format, 4 for content, and 1.5 for grammatical mistakes, and 1.5 for expression. The way to write again is the same. First, sender's address, either given in the exam, given in the question paper, or if not given, then examination hall. Then date, you will not write the spelling of date, you will write what is the date. First, which day is it? Day means not Wednesday, Thursday. You will write, suppose you are writing on 13th, you will write 13th March 2020, this way. Then receiver's address, either given in the exam or if not given, then, and suppose you are given that you purchased a washing machine and it is not given that of what make it is, यानी किसके द्वारा बनाई गई है, then you will write your imaginary name of some company. Okay, then subject. Here you in the previous letter I told you that you will have to write the name of the same city, but here if you are writing a letter to the company, then the name of the city can be different. But if you are writing the letter of complaint to the shopkeeper, then it should be of the same city. Okay, salutation. Dear sirs, look here, I said sirs. Sirs is used when you are writing a letter to the company. If you are writing a letter to the company, or maybe if you are writing to a shopkeeper, then also you can write sirs, because messers से जो भी नाम शुरू होते हैं companies के, there so many authorities are there, that is why sirs can be used. Now beginning of the letter. Beginning कैसे करेंगे इस लेटर का, उसमें हमने कैसे किया था कि आई विश टू ड्रॉ योर अटेंशन टूवर्ड्स. हियर यू विल नॉट राइट दिस वे, बिकॉज you purchased something and it is giving problems, so you will start I regret to say, यानी मुझे ये कहते हुए दुख हो रहा है. I regret to say that only dash time, only 1 month before, only 10 days before, time लिखेंगे यहाँ पे. I purchased, suppose it is complaint for washing machine, I purchased a washing machine from your company. This way you will start. I regret to say that only 1 month before I purchased a washing machine from your company. ये आपने बिगिनिंग कर दी. देन आपने बता दिया कि आपने एक वॉशिंग मशीन परचेज की, लेकिन you will have to give the details as well. So here starts the body of the letter. You will write the date of purchase. Here you gave that only 1 month before. So whatever date you are writing, the date of purchase should be exactly or nearly 1 month before the writing of the letter. Suppose you wrote here date in the beginning, you wrote here 16th of March. So and you wrote here 1 month before, so it should be 16th of Feb. So you can write here 10th of Feb or any such date. You can write date of purchase. You will not make the columns, but you will write I purchased the machine. I purchased this machine, or suppose refrigerator. I purchased this refrigerator from you on 10th of May. Then the bill number is so and so. Bill number is, you will write some bill number, imaginary number. Then how the payment was made. Third line you will write I made the payment cash on the counter and the cash receipt number is this. Cash receipt number ये है. Or you can say that I paid a check for the amount, I paid a check for the cost and the check number was this, dated this. अगर आप चेक नंबर देते हैं तो आप में उसको डेट भी देनी पड़ेगी. देन उसके बाद व्हाट वाज द वारंटी. वारंटी पीरियड क्या था. इफ गारंटी इज देयर, जनरली गारंटी इज नॉट गिवन दिस डेज, सो विल राइट व्हाट वाज द वारंटी. द वारंटी पीरियड फॉर द मशीन वाज 10 years. So here become a good paragraph for you. Next paragraph you start the problem in the product. Suppose it is a fridge, then what can be the problem. Only after 1 month it has stopped the freezing, यानी बर्फ़ जमनी बंद हो गई है. देयर इज़ नो आइस इवन आफ्टर 2 days द वाटर इज़ पुट. और यू कैन से इट गिव्स इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक्स. ये भी प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है कि ये करंट मारने लगा है. और भी जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं वो सब आप इसमें लिख सकते हैं कि इट गेट्स वेरी हॉट ऑन द आउटर सरफेस, कि बाहर की सरफेस इसकी बहुत गर्म हो जाती है. सो ये इतनी सारी आपने प्रॉब्लम्स बता दी. उसके बाद आप इसमें थोड़ा सा अपने बारे में बताएंगे. आई हैव बीन अ रेगुलर कस्टमर ऑफ योर कंपनी और शॉप फॉर लास्ट 10 years. कि मैंने पिछले 10 साल से जितनी भी चीज़ें खरीदी हैं वो सब आपकी दुकान से ही खरीदी हैं. योर प्रोडक्ट्स वर ऑलवेज फाउंड अप टू द मार्क. आई थिंक दिस वन वॉज अ डिफेक्टेड पीस एंड मे बी पैक्ड बाय मिस्टेक. ये आप लिखेंगे टू कंसोल देम. क्या लिखेंगे कि अब तक बहुत सालों से मैं आपका कस्टमर रहा हूँ और मैंने आज तक जितनी भी चीज़ें खरीदी हैं वो सब अच्छी मिली हैं. मुझे लगता है कि ये जो मुझे दे दिया गया है ये फ्रिज, ये कोई डिफेक्टेड पीस होगा या फिर गलती से पैक हो गया होगा. सो प्लीज़ टेक इट बैक एंड रिप्लेस इट